Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's another video, and this is this current state of my pantry slash laundry room. Actually, this is a laundry room. These apartments do not come with a pantry, but this thing right here is the wire shelving. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, I just improvised that. I bought that from Home Depot, and I'm currently using it as my pantry, and it's working out quite well for me. Yeah, so let's see what we can do in here. So I'll start by taking down the bins, and here I'm just taking out the jackets and the extra hangers, and I took them to the hallway closet. Now I'm back to filling up the containers with snacks so I can get rid of all this packaging. As you all know, the easiest way to organize is to remove things from their bags and boxes and all the packaging and putting them in containers. So that's basically what I'm doing here.
Tell me, babe, why are we playing games? It's you and me. Everybody else, they noticing. Baby, focus in on me. Make a move, it's on you. 'Cause I've been up all night, picking this wine, telling you things, telling you right.
So since my pantry is very small, there's no way I can put everything in containers, so the extras and the excess ones will remain in the bins, and here I'm just organizing them just to get that clean and neat look.
So baby, see me through. Now honey, what's the move? Isn't me all you do? Stay with me. Cause I've been up all night, picking this wine, telling you things, telling you right. Bet on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, sorry for you, keeping me waiting.
Now I'm just wiping down the containers and filling them up with cereals that were still in their boxes. I know this looks super fast, but I wish it was like that in reality. But this actually took me a whole lot of time to finish. And this video was or is super long. It's actually my longest video yet, so I had to do a super fast time lapse. But stay with me here, I will give you a good finished look and an overview. Trust me, it's so satisfying. And if you're enjoying this video, please be sure to hit that like button before you go. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it boosts my channel. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you on board. Thank you so much.
So scared of falling down. I just won't climb in the first place. Hold my head under, let me drown. Because I'm empty space and I can't let things lie. It's alright, I stay the same. Give a little stargaze, sit and watch our minds change. Isn't your face one I used to know? Dancing with my eyes closed, lonely on the way home. Maybe I just miss being alone. I'll give forever and a day. Just let me sleep in this morning. I hope you read my letters. Say it's getting better. Say that I don't have to feel this empty feeling.
Okay, so far I'm done with 3 shelves. I think the bottom one is looking good. This one right here is also looking good, and this one, yeah. Now let me sort this out real quick.
The rain is pouring down again. The clouds are getting hard to trust. Rip my heart open, be my friend, so I can feel I'm loved. And I can't tell time. It's alright, but not enough. Give a little wild sky, searching for the sunrise. Aren't your eyes the ones I used to know? Feeling like a firework, fizzled out and sunburned. Maybe I just miss being my own. I'll give forever and a day. Just let me sleep in this morning. I hope you read my letters. Say it's getting better. Say that I don't have to feel this empty feeling. Ooh, maybe I'm not right to choose. I can't bring myself to lose. So pull me over, make me new. Make me new. Got bruises on my legs, don't know when they get.
Okay, so this area here is done. I only sorted out these 2 containers, as you saw. The rest of these are just grains. Okay, now I'm sorting out this area.
My headaches make the water so warm. Trying babe, why are we playing games? It's you and me. Everybody else, they notice it. Baby, focus in on me. Make a move, it's on you. Cause I've been up all night, drinking this wine, telling you things, telling you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, sorry for you. Keeping me waiting, no hesitating. I ain't like them, none of them fake. Best friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, only for you. Pray for you, I'll slay for you. Take all your secrets to the grave for you. I know everything about you, never slip when I'm around you. Cause if the world's right and you're wrong, I'ma stick with ya. Ain't nothing in the world I can't face with ya. Waiting all this time on you, waiting all this time on you. Cause I've been up all night, drinking this wine, telling you things, telling you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, sorry for you. Keeping me waiting, no hesitating. I ain't like them, none of them fake. Best friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, only for you.
So guys, this is how the pantry looks like now. It looks so good, so lovely. The top shelf is all lovely, organized, and this little shelving right here looking beautiful. I know this top shelf is kind of mismatched, doesn't look so pleasing to the eyes, but yeah, I'll just keep it that way for now. This right here looks good, and this looks good. Okay, now we're moving over to this side of the room, the laundry side. It doesn't look so bad, actually. It's not so bad. I just need to fill up those 2 jars and just straighten up just straighten it up, and yeah, that should be all. Remove these hangers. That's it.
All night, drinking this wine, telling you things, telling you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, sorry for you. Keeping me waiting, no hesitating. I ain't like them, none of them fake. Best friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, only for you. Stay with me.
I'm finally done. This is how it looks like. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of the entire room. Yeah, so down there is where we have all the cereals. This is some extra spices, and down here all the grains. Are they called grains? Unga, mchele, you know, sukari. Yeah, and here all the coconut milk and cream and the canned beans, some fruits, some spices and other condiments, and this oil and vinegar, spices, some snacks and oats at the back. This is all tea area. And up there, you already saw all those things. So this looks so good. Let me give you a distant view. Wow, looks so good. This is all the trash that I got from decluttering, cleaning, organizing. Can you imagine the amount of trash that I took out? Okay, I wiped down the machines. They're all clean. So that's about it. I'm just gonna go ahead and mop this floor. I'm gonna give it a good sweep and a good mop, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.